Hello everyone. In this video, I will be telling you about C programming language tutorial and myself is Ms. Survi Saroha. First of all, what is C language? C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie for creating system applications that directly interact with the hardware devices such as drivers, kernel, etc. C programming is considered as the base for other programming languages. That is why it is known as mother language. So we also call it as mother language. Now, why to learn C programming? C programming language is a must for students and working professionals to become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in software development domains. I, I will list down some of the key advantages of learning C programming. Easy to learn, structured language, and it produces efficient programs. It can handle low level activities. It can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms. So it is platform independent. Coming to the next part now, that is C supports 6 types of tokens. Now C have tokens, these are 6. One is identifier, other is keywords, then constants, strings, operators, special symbols. So these are all the tokens of C language. C keywords list. Now there are total 32 keywords in C language and these are all the 32 keywords. They represent auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, do, double and all of these. There are 32 tokens in C language. Now comes the constants. Now constants are like variables, except that their value never changes during executions once defined. Constant means something which is fixed, that does not change. So constants are also called literals. Constants can be any of the data types. It is considered best practice to define constant using only uppercase letters. So we use only uppercase letters for constants. Now the example, this is the example of constant, that is hash include. In C language we always use hash include stdio.h. This is the header file. Then main function is there. Then curly braces on is there. Const is for constant, it's a keyword. Int SID, as we have said that we use capital letters for defining constant. So SID equals to 10. INT area equals to slide into slide. Printf, the area of the square will define percentile D is for integer type, is percentile D again for integer type. So side and area. So it will give the area. C operators. Now come C operators. C operators are symbols that are used to perform mathematical or logical manipulations. The C programming language is rich with built-in operators. Operators take part in a program for manipulating data and variables and form a part of the mathematical or logical operations. So the operators, in the next slide, I will be telling all the types of operators. So here it is. C programming language offers various types of operators having different functionalities. There is arithmetic operator, there is relational operator, there is logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, conditional operators, bitwise operators, special operators. So these are all the operators of C language. Talking about arithmetic operator. Arithmetic, as the name suggests, it contains the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So includes stdio.h, void main. Void main is the main function starting from curly braces on int I equals to 3, j equals to 7, k equals to K is not, it's a constant. J value is 7, it's a constant. And K, we have it assigned a value. So I and J are constant and K is a variable. So variable defines an assigned value. So K value is given I plus J, and then we are printing a K. So printf is for printing a value on the console. So with this, I say thank you.